Hey, what's up, everybody? It's DJ Mo D here coming to you from What Say Radio. Appreciate y'all always tuning in, locking it in with me right here. And this morning I have a crypto update for you. If you've been monitoring the markets here the last over the weekend, going into yesterday and today, you will notice that crypto is down and it has fallen a little drastically. Bitcoin has fell and broke beneath $90,000 for the first time in a while. And so what I want to do is bring my crypto market update to you this morning as we see and try to figure out what's going on and where we might be headed in the market, crypto that is, over the uh, coming days. So I'm going to, if you stand by, we're going to go into my favorite chart, which is CoinMarketCap.com. That's where I monitor all my crypto. You can check it out, CoinMarketCap. Again, CoinMarketCap.com to get all the current and latest and greatest updates on crypto. Um, we'll just take it from the top and work our way down to the bottom of the page or to the middle of the page. Starting off with the trending coins, BTC, which is Bitcoin, the big dog, the number one crypto coin out there. As you see, it's at $87,000, down 6.9%. Ethereum is trending as well. It's down 8.6%. We'll talk about both of those in a minute here. XRP is down 8.6%, $2.21 right now. Solana at $139. I don't know when the last time we've seen Solana at $139. Doge is down 9.32%. And you know what's standing out to me here on the trending coins? What's really standing out and sticking out to me in this is that all the big dogs, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and the number one meme coin, Doge, are the trending coins. Normally, we see a lot of meme coins or lower value coins that are trending here, but these are top coins that are trending now, and they're all trending in the wrong direction. So that's a telling story of where the crypto market is right now. Um, we'll move it over to the market cap. The market cap for crypto as a whole is currently at $2.8 trillion dollars. Last time we did a market update, I think we were somewhere near 3.4, $3.5 trillion. We have fallen again drastically here from 3.5 trillion, let's just say 3.5 trillion to 2.84 trillion. We're on the verge of almost losing $1 trillion in the crypto market. We'll go down here to the fear and greed index. As you can see, it is currently 29, which is fear. Of course we have a lot of fear. People don't know what's going on in these markets. People are scared of losing their money. Their coins are going down, which means their um, portfolio money and investment and profits have all declined. So some people are getting out. A lot of people are getting out, and then some people just aren't doing anything. So that's the fear and greed index of 29. And last check last week, we were here in the yellow around about 38. I want to say 38%. So almost a 10% or a 10-point drop in the fear and greed index over the last week. All right. And the Bitcoin dominance is still 60%. It was that last week. And Ethereum held 10%. So that's 70% of the overall crypto market held by Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the other 30% is held by all the other altcoins and stable coins out there in the market. All right. All right, we're gonna scroll down, scroll down. and we're going to take a look at some of our favorite cryptos that we have been monitoring over the past few months, starting with Bitcoin again. It's currently at $87,000, and we'll take a look. I want to show you how far it's dropped in the last just over 2 days. We want to take over the last 2 days of just how far uh, Bitcoin has dropped. Let's see. All right, so we're going to look at the last 7 days of Bitcoin and its movement. Again, it has a market cap of $1.73 trillion right now overall. Um, just yesterday was the 24th. As you can see, yesterday was the 24th, and it was at $95,000 yesterday. $95,000. Currently, it's at 87,000 dollars. So about $8,000 has diminished within the last day on Bitcoin. And if we go back a little bit further to February 19th, again 95,000 on the 20th, 21st. Look at this. We were at $99,000, almost the $100,000 mark. Got up close to the $100,000 mark and then got slapped all the way back down to 87. That's the $12,000 decline, excuse me, in Bitcoin just since February 21st, 4 days ago. All right, same with Ethereum. Let's go into Ethereum. It's currently at 24,000 or 2,400. I'm sorry, excuse me, 2,400. And we'll look at the last 7 days on Ethereum, which holds 10% of the dominance in crypto. As you can see, just on the 23rd, it was 2,800, 2,837. So we've lost about $400 decline on Ethereum in the last 2 days. And let's see, XRP is currently at $2.21. Solana is at number 6 coin in market cap size at $139. Solana has fallen as it was just, within the last month. I'm gonna take a look at last month. We were over $200 within the last month on Solana. Let me bring this in closer. See if I can. All right, it won't let me. All right, you see right there on January 29th, Solana was $241. $241 on the 29th. Let's see what it actually was on the 25th. Oh, it's not going to be. Well, yeah, it is. Okay, it was around $250 a month ago. And we're at $140 today. That's like $110 decline on Solana. Still great projects. Still great projects. Solana and XRP. All right. $139. That coin has got Solana's gotten up to $250 during this cycle. Experts are calling for it to go anywhere between $1,000 and $1,200. So still a great price. XRP is $2.21. Crypto expert opinions call for it to go anywhere from $5 to $10. And let me iterate to you that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell or trade. This is just opinions, my opinions, and research that I've done. And I'm just putting that information out there, and you can do with it whatever you feel. Ethereum again is at $2,400. Uh, the sentiment out there is that Ethereum is going to hit 10,000, between 10,000 and $15,000 during this bull cycle. And then Bitcoin is at 87. And some experts say 120 during this bull cycle. Others say 175 to 200,000. All right, so just giving you some price predictions that have been thrown out there by experts. Um, some people in this crypto markets that are have a little bit of understanding, a little more experience in crypto. Cardano is currently 65 cents. Another great project. We talked about it before. It was at 30 cents for like 2 years, 25, 30 cents for like 2 years. And then it had a nice peak up to $1 a couple of months ago. And now it's falling back down to 65 cents. So great price. Great price you could get some Cardano at right now. And then going into my favorite coin, Chainlink. Chainlink is a big dog for me. Got up to 33 within the last, or $32 within the last year, and it is falling as well. Back down to $14. Great project, great asset, real world asset, real world use. Gonna change, gonna shake up this world to me. Partner with a lot of institutions, partner with a lot of other cryptos in the on the blockchain, and the use case is off the chain. So Chainlink, yeah, is that one for me. Avalanche is down to $20. I have not seen that in a while. And if it goes below $20, that will be crazy to me. Um, I once held Avalanche. I traded in my Avalanche as I had got some Avalanche for like $10 at $10 a coin. And last March, a year ago, yep, it rose all the way up to $60. And it's just, slowly come down since, and looks like we're headed back towards the teens. We'll see how that goes. Sui, the number 14 coin in the market cap, is currently at $2.79. A great buy. I've told the story. This one here back in August, September was at 30 cents, and it got all the way up to $5 and almost 50 cents here recently, coming back down 279. Experts are calling for this coin to go anywhere between 30 and 50 dollars. So getting it or accumulating some at $2.79, you can't beat it in my opinion. All right. Ondo is below $1. Ondo is another one that has been adopted by BlackRock. And so 96 cents, it's under $1. My opinion, that's cheap. All right. And then ICP, I'm not going to talk too much about ICP anymore since uh, this coin is it's been just a slow mover. And so I had to get rid of that one for now. Yeah, still might be a great project, but there hasn't been much discussion, no talks about ICP really during, excuse me, during this cycle. So maybe they're doing some things behind the scenes. I don't know, but again, there hasn't been much talk about ICP. So I kind of just, and as far as like institutions, major institutions, the big whales, I haven't heard any movement or seen any movement or talks that have been going on. All right, some of the things that are moving the crypto market down is these tariffs that President Trump is putting on other countries. These are factors that are moving the market. There was also a who was it? BitDance or one of the crypto companies, exchanges had some Ethereum issues, problems that went on. These are other negative news catalysts, not really a catalyst. Well, they've catalyzed them to go shoot downward instead of shooting upward. So those have been some of the headlines in the news as far as creating some fear, some doubt in the crypto space. When you hear bad things that might affect the market, they're of course going to move the market up if it's good news, and they're going to move it down if it's bad news. So in between all of that, let me come back to you, my people. In between all of that, let me say this. Despite the good news, the bad news, now is not the time to get out of crypto. I've said it before. I said it in my last video. When others are fearful, the saying is, it's time to get greedy. Let me say that again. When others are fearful in the market, things are looking crazy, that's when it's time to be greedy and buy up crypto and stock, good crypto and good stocks. All right. When there's fear out there in the streets, you can't be afraid. You got to go get it. All right. That is the time to go get it when others are fearful. And I know it seems like a hard concept because when you see things just going down, you're like, why would I jump in that when it's just going down? Well, you're not gonna get it at a better price. Why would you jump in it when it's shooting sky high, when the price is going high? Think about it that way. You gotta change your mindset. Okay. And again, we're talking with good, solid projects, things that are reliable, things that have um, less risk, less risk. When they go on sale, those are the things you want to get into. That's when you want to start buying more. Okay, so you buy down when the prices are on clearance. You don't wait till they're sky high and everybody's talking about such and such crypto or this and that stock, and there's just like this euphoria going on over the next hot thing, and everybody's jumping in. No, you should already be in, and you should be on for the ride, and then you have to figure out when you want to jump off that ride. That's the next. That's called your exit strategy. When are you going to get out of there? Because the ride at some time is going to end. No matter what, the ride is it's going to go up. It's going to keep going up. But at some time, the ride's going to get to the top. It's going to stop, and then it's going to slowly come back down. And so you got to be ready to exit. All right. So that's the market update for today. Like, share this video with somebody. Please subscribe to the page, and I will catch y'all in the next one. This is DJ Mo D. I'm signing out. Peace, and what you say.